Okay, this should be the last part to upcycling the, how do you say it? Pirouette? Pirouette from Pepperidge Farm. The delicious cream-filled wafers. That's all I know. So let's give this a try. The two colors of alcohol ink that I picked are slate and pitch black. Not sure how it's going to be, but we sure are going to give it a try. I don't have my silicone mat out, which is probably going to be my first mistake. It's underneath of my glass board, but we are going to try this. So let's see here. This is the pitch black. And oh, see there, I already got it on me. And this is the slate. And we're just going to kind of daub it all over and rub it around. And it kind of looks like pitch black is winning here. But that's okay. We're just gonna daub all around. I kind of wanted a dark, grungy look, and I guess I am going to be getting it. Alrighty, so let's see. Gotta try to really get down in those crevices, because the crevices down in there are what is going to stay that color. Alrighty, now let's grab a baby wipe, or a wet wipe, not necessarily baby wipe. Oh, hate it when I do that. Alrighty, and what I'm going to do is go very lightly, maybe not so lightly, over the top, and it looks like I'm even getting down a little bit underneath, and I don't want to do that. I just want to try to get where the dye is. So I want to try to just get the clock cleaned up. I may have waited too long. I may have done too much. Now here we go. Where's the hands to the clock? All right, here we go. I guess it's better if I just do the baby wipe on my fingertips, and then I'm not digging down in so deep. So let's see. We may have to do it again to get back down into some of the clock a little bit better. But I hope you can see what I'm trying to do. This time I'm going to do more slate and see how that is, and see if I can kind of get down in there. Here we go. I like the black though, I have to say. Alright, let me see now about wiping off again just the clock and leaving what's down under down there. Yeah, that's a little bit better this time. Can you tell I'm concentrating? Okay. All right, let's proceed on. Put a little more black now. And then some, whoa, don't run away. And then some slate, making me think my table here is not level. And that's a no-no. Here we go. Alrighty. Yeah. Alright, let's see. Where's my baby wipe? Here is one of the gears. Do I see another gear? That's the thing, is just trying to find There's one of the dots. I mean, I guess I don't really have any more gears on that part. That's good. So let's keep going here. This is the one thing I have to say. You know, people like seeing tutorials, and I'm all about the good, the bad, and the ugly, no doubt. If something messes up, I want you to know it, that then maybe you won't make that same mistake. However, I also am really bad about not wanting to waste stuff, whether it's materials or supplies. So I don't want to just put stuff on for the darn sake of it. I want to kind of have a reason and not waste it. Yeah, this is coming a little bit better now. And I was thinking maybe I could have done rust, but then it probably would have been the reverse. And I don't know, honestly, that I know how to do that. About making the gears on the tape rusty and the part behind it not so. I guess I could always go back if I wanted to have the gears more rusty. I could go back and apply maybe some other kind of patina or paint or something that would have that effect. But for my purpose right now, this is good. And like I said, this is just, let's say, HVAC tape. It's what you wrap around the duct, plural, D-U-C-T, not duck, quack, quack. And I don't know, that's it. And I think that it's pretty good. I don't really see, well, there's a little place right there. I could pull that little in there too, get those a little better. But yeah, I have to say, I kind of like it. I like what I did. So give it a try, everybody. Like I said, the tape, it goes a long way. I have done so many projects with it. Now you ask me what I'm going to do with this can. At this point in time, I'm not exactly sure. I was thinking, however, though, I just bought an overabundance of eyelets. So I'm thinking that maybe I just might, for the time being, maybe they'll fit down in here. I can just store these here until I can get them in my containers. This can kind of be my holding place. Yeah, it's going to work pretty good. And I didn't do the lid, if you remember. Here's the lid, because the lid's not really going to fit good on there. It's going to scrape away your tape. So, like I said before, you don't want to go all the way to the top. So here it is. It'll dry. It's still a little touch tacky from the alcohol ink, but I like it. And remember, too, you could use whatever dyes you want to. If you want to make something pretty, punch out some flowers. Do, you know, some flowers, some leaves, some trees. Make it your own colors, you know, green and brown or pink and turquoise. You've got all kinds of options there. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this project. It's a little grungy, but hey, it won't matter if I mess it up. Because if I do, guess what? I just get me another piece of tape, plop it on there, get my paper stump, go around it, and voila. So let me know what you come up with. What kind of projects you do with HVAC tape, or better known as duct tape. Anyhow, thanks. Please subscribe to my channel if you would, and give me a thumbs up. I think I'm getting a little punchy here. It's been a long day. So I do appreciate you, and I will see you down the road, and let me know what you're up to. Talk to y'all later. Bye.